morning, folks. Happy 4th of July, I guess, huh? So, one of the things about being a leaser, I should probably clean up my hoses and stuff today. You got to kind of get used to some of the abuse that you go through. Was hoping to get started after midnight last night. Didn't really happen. I got up about 4, made my phone call to dispatch. Like typical, this particular dispatch is a little crazy, a lot going on, so went out, got ready, started the truck, had the truck almost completely warmed up, ready to head out, and was told to shut down. They're all good. Very aggravating, extremely aggravating. That's kind of what you go through, though. Just want to throw that out there. But we went through the front end yesterday, put new steers on, and yes, I did put cheap steers on. No, I don't put expensive ass steers on my Lease Road Hoopty. But we are going to start the alignment process here, and I'm going to show you my alignment jig. New steers, we want to make sure we're good on the toe. So I have this board, it's already pre-cut and screwed to where my tires sit. See, I got a screw coming out here. Over here, got a screw coming out here. Alright, and I'm going to show you how I align a new set of steers. We have 16 ounces of coolant in each one. Perfect. You never have a problem with balance. 16 ounces of coolant in your tire. Coolant because it won't freeze. And it's just perfect. We're going to get the jack in the front end up. We'll grease the kingpins and get to our alignment. Okay, so we finally got her jacked up. That's always a chore. Wheels are spinning free. Screws in our board. So the screws in your board are exact, the exact measurement apart. So you're going to scribe. We'll spin the tires and scribe both sides of the tires at the same time. You're going to need 2 people. Then we can take our front to back measurements and make sure we're towed in about a 1/16 is what I'm looking for. Okay, so we went and got a hand, and now we have a line scribed in this tire. Let's see where you can see it good. Okay, there you go. See, that screw put a nice line in that tire right there, all the way around. Same thing on the other side. See it? There we go. So we've got this line scribed in the tire, and then we measure front to back. We can actually get our toe on these new set of steers, and then we can set it. Right now I did measure it and it's off. It's off quite a bit, so we're going to fix that so we don't ruin our new set. Alrighty, folks. So we were a little more than a 1/4 inch out, towed way too far in. 24-inch pipe wrench. Loosen up those clamps right there, those thread clamps on either side. And pipe wrench pulling downwards towards the ground will actually tow it in. So we had to bring it up and tow it out a little bit. It was about 1 3/4 turn on that linkage, and we're good. Greased her all while she was up in the air. We put it about a 1/16 towed in, and we're about to go test drive it. So that's how I do an alignment, and it pretty much works dead nuts every time.